to Tonitra's Garden. So today we are doing the big reveal and I am super excited to tell you guys what is going on today. So as you all may know, I've been keeping something from you guys for a couple months now. Not a couple, it's been like since last year, but I've been keeping something from you guys, and today is finally the day that we're gonna do the big reveal. My freaking stomach is like in knots. I am so nervous. I've been working so hard on this day in and day out behind the scenes, hence why I haven't posted a video. OMG, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know y'all are tired of me talking. The big reveal is I finally launched my seed shop today. My seed shop is live as of now when you're watching this video. I have been working so hard and I've wanted a seed shop for so freaking long. It's been a couple years now that I've been wanting to sell my own seeds, and the time has finally come. The seed shop is open. I do have seeds up there. I'm not a large business. This is a small business. And yes, my seed shop is open. So we have seeds on the website. We got seeds for the website, from my garden on the website. Oh, that makes me feel so good, like giving you guys a piece of my garden. That is crazy, like sending it off to where you can grow it in your garden. You don't know how good that makes me feel. I'm so excited. Okay, so on the website, we have seeds. We also have another exciting thing, and that is planting layouts. What? Yes, planting layouts for your raised bed garden. I wish that when I first started gardening that someone would have had a planting layout for sale, because I would have hopped on it so fast. There are planting layouts that I personally created and designed and back 100% with my knowledge and my growing experience. We have planting layouts. So if you are a gardener, you have no idea about spacing and what can grow together and what grows well together and what will look beautiful together, I have created planting layouts to make gardening just effortless and stunning. So if you're wanting a stunning garden this spring and you don't really know how to get there or what you need to do to create that beautiful garden that you've been envisioning, I would highly recommend you check out my planting layouts. They are going to take your garden to the next level, guaranteed. Without a layout and a plan, you're basically like crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. And this year, what I want for my royals is for you guys to have successful gardens right off the bat. Like, let's just get into it. Let's just have some success already, right? I would be so super happy if you guys would go check out my website, give it a look, see if there's anything that could be helpful for you on there. If you like anything, look at the seeds, look at the planting guides, because it's going to be good. This year is going to be wonderful. So this year, I'm just excited to connect with you guys on a new level and not just from YouTube and my garden. I wanted to be able to offer you guys something special that was meaningful. I will have the website linked in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I do have a discount code for you guys. You get 10% off your first order. Yes, 10% off your first order using code FIRST10. Don't forget that code FIRST10. We're gonna put it right here. First 10, please run to the website, get what you need, because this is a small business and I am just getting up and running. So it's first come, first serve, and I'm so happy that I get to share this with you guys. On to the next subject. What is my goal for the spring garden? Let's talk about it. Let me raise this window down because it's getting hot. I'm getting hot in here, okay? Woo! Okay. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to tell y'all that for so long. Let me take a sip of my hot chocolate. So yes, let's talk about my spring garden plan and what I see for my future garden. For this spring coming up, what I really want to focus on, what is just drawing me to focus on, is really creating a space that feels like my own, that feels like my personal style, that feels like me. And I don't think I've ever really created a garden that just felt like my personality and who I am. I haven't gotten to that point yet, to where I've thought about creating something that just felt like who I am in my soul, if that makes sense. So for this year, I want to create a space that that feels cozy and warm and just like at home. I want to create a space that I can go to every day and that just feels homey. Like I'm yearning for that homey vibe, cozy vibe. So to create that, I'm just thinking like flowers, which I already do flowers, but more flowers, more delicate things, trying a few different colors, maybe some whites, because I do a lot of pink, and pink is definitely going to be in there, and I also do a lot of red and orange, and I think this year I want to do more of like softer colors, if that makes sense. We'll see, because you never know. With gardening, you'd be like, okay, I thought I wanted some soft colors, but now I think for springs, it's fitting for spring, like for April, like Easter colors. I think that's what I'm feeling. I think it's that time. So maybe it's just natural to feel that way. So I'm definitely feeling the more softer, like charming, I wouldn't say cottage vibe type of garden, but I guess I would say like countryside, charming. That's how I'm feeling, and that's kind of how I feel in my soul. I'm from Texas, I'm from the South, so that countryside, you know, warm, cozy, just homey, that is just all me to the core. Just, I love it. Quilted blankets, you know, stuff like that, just natural linens, stuff like that. That's what I'm feeling this year. So with all that being said, I guess I'm going for like just a more natural, subtle, countryside, relaxed vibe this year. And that's as far as like aesthetics and flowers and tones and things like that. And then as far as vegetables and the garden, as you know, the raised beds in a whole, I'm just feeling like I want to stick with what I know this year. You know, and usually I do pretty much stick with what I know works. That's usually what I do, but I think I just want to focus on the productive things that I know grow well, and just really honing in on creating spaces that are beautiful and productive, and maximizing my gardening spaces, maximizing my raised beds, particularly. So that's really the goal for this year. Just relaxing a little bit more, not feeling like I have to fill up every single container that I own. And I do love container gardening, but I don't know if I'm gonna do so much container gardening this year, like grow bags and things like that. I think I'm really gonna focus on my raised beds and creating more. I guess maybe what I'm trying to say is I want a more subtle vibe in the garden. I want more space. I want more peace. Sometimes gardening can get very cluttered and you can start to just fill it up with things quickly and fill it up with pots and plants and just all the things, and you never really realize how much stuff you're growing and buying. And I think this year I just kind of feel like I need more space without all the extra pots and extra grow bags and extra, you know, this and that. I don't think I'm gonna buy any extra pots and stuff this year. I'm just going to kind of stick with what I have and make what I have work and really focus on raised bed gardening. And my slither of a, you know, of a flower garden is one row. So I'm gonna focus on that this year, at least for the spring. So, oh my gosh, I feel like I've been holding all of this in. So that's really the plan, is just creating a beautiful, calm, relaxing, charming, productive space and really getting the most out of my raised beds that I can. So yeah, that is my plans for my garden this year. I'm going to be starting a good amount of flowers. I've already done some winter sowing, but I do plan to do some more winter sowing. It's the end of January, so I got like a couple days to get some other things out. I don't believe we're having any more freezes. I believe that this is going to be as cold as it's going to be getting until the spring. So we're in the green to get things ramped up. We're going to be starting seeds indoors. We're going to be doing some more winter sowing, and it is the season. It is time to get things going. I am super excited for you guys. I really hope that you check out the website. Use my discount code FIRST10. Get 10% off. Yeah, let me know in the comments below how you feel about the spring garden coming up, what your plans are. Are you doing like spring? Are you just doing spring gardening? Are you doing like the cool season, early spring gardening? I'm not going to do the cool season, early spring gardening because I already have cool season vegetables in my garden. And we'll be doing a video coming up so that I can show you what survived. You guys might be surprised about that, but that'll be for another video. All right, Royals, thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to get into the new gardening season with you. I hope that your garden is super successful, super beautiful. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.